Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to catch Kraken in Atlantis step by step. First, map likely Kraken layers using depth contours and thermal readings. Next, assemble gear, reinforced nets, sonic lures, and a compact diving bell for crew safety. Coordinate roles with clear signals and an escape plan. Keep crew calm and assign one navigator to monitor currents and obstacles so every step moves smoothly toward success. Choose bait that mimics the Kraken's natural prey and deploy it strategically. Prepare bioluminescent bait blended with crushed shellfish to create an attractive scent and light trail. Run sonic lures with varied patterns to simulate distress signals from smaller sea creatures. Position funnel-shaped nets to channel the Kraken toward the capture zone while keeping the diving bell out of direct reach. Stay patient and adjust patterns based on the Kraken's responses. Timing is critical when engaging the Kraken, so proceed with calm, practiced moves. Once the creature approaches, trigger staggered net closures to share load and prevent a single break. Apply low-impact stun charges to temporarily immobilize tentacles without harming important tissues. Use grappling hooks to control limb movement while team members tighten anchors and check line integrity. Communicate constantly so everyone knows when to pull, secure, or...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.